Place aluminum foil in your fridge and prepare to be surprised. You'll never have this problem again, and you'll save money on your energy bills. I'm sure you've never used aluminum foil like this before. Once you understand the purpose, you'll want to try it right away. Here's a simple step to start with. Grab a roll of aluminum foil, tear off a small piece, and open your fridge door. Place the foil in the fridge door so that it sticks out. You'll notice you can easily pull it out. This indicates that your fridge seal isn't working properly. To fix it, here's a quick trick. Turn off the fridge for a moment. Take a hairdryer, set it to warm air, and gently heat the rubber seal around the fridge door. The heat will dry and soften the rubber, allowing it to stick better to the fridge. Now repeat the foil test. Place the aluminum foil between the door and the fridge again. This time the foil won't slide out. It means the seal is now tighter. Thanks to this, you'll save energy and money on your bills.